Meet the Professional Learning Passport, or PLP, a world-leading online e-portfolio platform developed by the Education Workforce Council, EWC, on behalf of Welsh Government. It's packed with powerful tools designed to support your staff on their professional learning journey. Flexibility is key. The PLP allows you to create and develop resources tailored to the unique needs of your organisation, empowering your staff to take ownership of their professional learning and development. Seamless access. The PLP is supported by the Pebble Pocket app, which enables staff to capture learning and experiences anytime, anywhere with ease. Streamline your processes. Say goodbye to paper trails and email overload. The PLP provides a secure online space for users to store everything securely online, with no additional software required. Facilitate effective collaboration and feedback. The PLP makes it easy for your staff to share their professional learning and experiences, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. A helpful tool to support your professional development review or PDR processes. Unlimited support. With free bilingual training and ongoing technical assistance, you can rely on us every step of the way. There are no contracts, it is completely free to use, and your organisation will always benefit from system updates, ensuring the PLP continues to evolve to meet user needs. The PLP is a national tool for Wales, available in both Welsh and English, and provides your staff with a space to engage with their professional standards. It's available to anyone registered with the EWC, and it isn't linked to employment. So as long as your staff are registered with the EWC, they will always have access. For more information on how the PLP can support your organisation, visit ewc.wales/PLP.